Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use clips to video in a CapCut. So here you can open CapCut.com. This is the web version of CapCut. Don't forget to sign in or log in if you already have an account. If you don't have, please register, sign up. And here, this is the home page. You can see there is a clips to video. So here, just click this clips to video feature. So you can drag or drop file here. You can upload your video. If you have no media, you can try this set to material. Wait for the uploading process. So this is a simple step. After the uploading process is finished, you can set the duration. You can mix the aspect ratio. You can select the aspect ratio here, like for TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, or YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram stories. And here you can view video, the second step. Next, you can edit and export your result. So also you can upload your video from your phone. Just scan with camera this barcode, upload through this link. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.